Growth driver number 2, what's your AI diet and what data are you feeding AI? We all know that the data and the way that you train it determines how efficient and effective your AI is going to be. But listen to Amanda Slavin, founder of Learning Frequency, show you how she uses data to help children learn. What we're getting with AI and stuff, that we're actually going to be able to do something
You got
with that information.
That's right. And the thing about AI is having the right information to feed AI. It's not just so the right information to feed AI. When I've asked pretty big companies what they're doing in terms of, measuring engagement, they're like, "Oh, we're using AI to create more adaptive and, more personalized learning." I'm like, "But how are you using AI? What are you feeding AI?" So when you feed AI meaningful metrics, the 7 times data set versus a binary data set of just time and attention, you can create a more meaningful feedback loop for and when the player owns that information, they can start to create a more impactful learning journey for themselves. So that's the opportunities. You actually feed AI this information, the 7 times data set. The game becomes more impactful.
Yes. The games become more impactful. Gamifying AI integration, making it fun, starting with people and slowly adding in what AI is needed is sort of the equivalent of what they're doing at Learning Frequency, in my opinion.